good turnout out there so far. So this year's chili cook-off, of course, like we've done in the previous years, is all for our Washington, D.C. trip, trying to raise funds to help the kids defray the cost of the trip. And so far, we've got a huge turnout out there. It's been a few years since we've seen that many people come in the door. There are 13 teams here this year. We've got 4 judges. They've eaten their full chili right now, and they seem to be enjoying it. We'll see who comes out to be the winner. Okay, the winners will get a trophy and the golden spoon that they can hold on to and come back next year, hopefully, and defend their title. And they'll get their name on our Chili Pepper Man. I think the kids are really going to benefit this year from what we can raise for them. And right now we do have 1 full bus for our trip, so we're doing really well.
How are you doing today? You excited about this chili?
Oh yeah.